Hello friends, this is Komal and welcome back to my channel. I hope you have seen my last video and have gained some knowledge regarding Excel. Friends, in this video, we'll do the same things that we have done in the last video but by a different method. So, I'll take the same data that I have taken in the last video. So, I'll copy this data and I'll go to another sheet and I'll just paste this data here. Friends, in last video we have seen basics like addition, average, etc. In this video also we'll do the same but by writing formulas this time. Suppose I want to do the addition of salaries of all the employees for the month of January. So I can do this by writing a formula. So I'll start with equal to. Remember, in Excel all the formulas begin with equal to. Now to do the addition, the function available in Excel is sum. So I'll write equal to sum, then give a opening round bracket. Now in this bracket you have to write the range of cells for which you are doing the addition. So I have to add the salaries of employees. Okay, so the salary of first employee is in this cell. I can name this cell as C2. Why C2? Because this is intersection of row of column C and row 2. So from C2, write down a colon till you have to do till the salary of employee 10. So this cell will be C11 because it is intersection of column C and row 11. So write down C11, close the bracket and hit enter. So I'll get the sum. Similarly, if you want to find the average, you can do it the same way, equal to. Now the function for the average is by the name average itself. So write down average, opening round bracket. Again I have to take it for the salaries of all the employees. So from C2 colon C11, close the bracket, enter. Now suppose I want to find the count, total count of the entries. Again start with equal to. Function for count is by the name count, opening bracket. Friends, now I can write down it manually also or I can directly select the cell. So count I have to do from this entry colon till this colon till this entry, round bracket, hit enter. Similarly, if you want to find the maximum number, start with equal to. The function to find the maximum number is max, that is max, opening bracket. Either you can write it or simply select the cell, give colon and select the last cell. Okay, similarly I can do for minimum. I can either write or I can select the cells. So equal to, function for minimum is mean, opening bracket, the first cell, give colon. See, when I give colon, it takes C2 to C2 by default. So we don't want C2, we want it till 11. So just delete it. Either write the entry manually or select the desired cell, colon, and enter. Now if you want to do all these things for the month of February, so you can simply select these formulas and just expand this selection to the column of your February. So you'll directly get the result. So this is the sum, average, count, maximum and minimum number for the salary of employees for the month of February. Now suppose I want to do this row wise. Again it is very simple. Sum, write down the formula, equal to sum. So I want to add the salary of employee 1 of the month of January and February. So it will be C2 colon D2 and hit enter. Similarly, suppose I want to do it for employee 2, equals to sum. This time this will be C3 colon D3, enter. In this case also you can expand this selection to the remaining entries. Similarly you can do for average and count, maximum and minimum number. So this was all in today's video. We'll see few more things regarding Excel in my next video. Till then, stay tuned with me. Thank you.